This is a brand new 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. Its top features include a supercharger, a limited slip differential, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
George Moore Chevrolet is located at 10979 Atlantic Boulevard, 1/2 mile east of 9A. We're bigger, we're better, and by George, we're always right on the money.